guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get international number for your online business. Now there are some online business you do that requires international number, as they cannot pay into your local bank account. Like for instance, you are doing a drop shipping business or you are selling on Amazon KDP, they need an international number where your money will be paid. And so guys, if you don't know how to get international number, in this video you're going to learn how to get an international number for your business. And so how do we do that? Let's dive into the video. All right, the first thing you do, the website you need to go to is Payoneer. Payoneer. So we click on that to open the platform. So all you need to do is to sign up. They get paid by companies and marketplaces worldwide. This platform is actually a worldwide money acceptance platform. It will give you an account, whether you need an account in the US or in the UK or any other part of the country. This account is going to give you an international account in any of this country. So you go ahead to sign up. Now there's the sign up page. You now go ahead to choose any of these options. Are you signing up as a freelancer or an online seller or an affiliate marketer or an individual or vacation rental host? Now any of these options that you click will give you an account, an international account that you can use for such business. Already I have an account with Payoneer, so I have to go sign in. Already I've made a video on step by step on how to sign up on Payoneer. You can go ahead and watch that particular video on how to sign up on Payoneer. So I click sign in and I'll enter into my account. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscription button so that you'll be signed up on this channel, and also click the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video you will get to see it. And also please try share my videos so that others can actually see what I'm doing. All right, it has sent a two-step verification to my phone, so I have to go and verify if this is actually my account. So I'll go to my phone and check for okay, I think I've gotten it. Okay. All right, so the account, my dashboard is opening. I have to be patient for it to open. So this is my dashboard, my Payoneer dashboard, and look at this is a balance. I've not got anything on my account. This is where you receive if there's money on your account. This is where you get to see it. All right. Now Payoneer actually has a card. You can request for a MasterCard that you can use to withdraw your money. But you can also do a transfer, withdraw and transfer. You can withdraw and transfer into your local account. So look at my bank account here. Click on this particular one. Now this is my This one, okay, guys, hold on. Okay, now this is, if you want to get paid, this is where you request your payment. Now this is my receiving account. Okay, this is my receiving account. This one is my account in the UK, and this one is my account in the United States. So when they are demanding for your account, international account, this is what you will give them. So this one is my account in the United States, the First Century Bank. Now this is a routine number that you can give. This is the account number. This is the account type, checking. Then this is my account name, Benson Omoabo, and this is the address, the bank address in the United States. And this very one is my account in the UK, the international account in the UK. So when they are demanding, depending on the platform that you are, Amazon, KDP, you are doing drop shipping, and they are demanding for your account, this is what you will give them. And when they pay, your account will come here. You can withdraw from here into your local bank account. So guys, this is how you can get international bank accounts that you can use for your online business. All right, if you don't know how to sign up on Payoneer, I have done a video on how to sign up on Payoneer, so you can just go to that video and watch the video, and you know exactly how to sign up on Payoneer. Guys, I hope you get value from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this particular video. See you.